Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name is Michelle Edhouse and today we're doing another record pour. Yay! And guess what? I'm not on the spinner. I had somebody comment the other day that I was getting boring. I had been doing too many spins. But you know what? This is my channel and I do what I love. I pour for fun and I share that with you. So if I'm having fun with a particular type of painting, that's why I do it. Okay, cool. So that's out of the way. Now, one of the things I noticed I haven't done for a little while is a non-spin flip cup. So that's what I'm going to do. I've been just spending this afternoon listening to some recordings of a class called The Joy of Business. And you can check that out at accessjoyofbusiness.com if you want to find out more. And I put the Fun Back in Business Facilitator, which is one of the classes that gets taught through Joy of Business. And I've been listening to this one, and it was a class that was, I'm just putting Durex Play Perfect Glide. This is the pink and black one that's dimethicone. This is one that was recorded in Istanbul, Turkey, and it's such a gift to listen to these classes and to be reminded of what else is possible with business, what else is possible with this one is Reeves Grass Green, and it is a bit lumpy, but that's okay. I'm going to be reasoning it anyway, so it's all good, except it was a bit thick and cluggy, so I'm just adding a bit more water. But being reminded about the possibilities of business and the possibilities of multiple income streams. So how many of you have decided that you're only allowed one income stream? You have a job and that's how you make your money. And is that limiting you from being able to paint and make money from painting? Is that limiting you from writing a book, from riding horses and making money? I remember when I used to be in Amway and there was a diamond or double diamond or something, and they told their story, and they were like, you know, I'm a professional golfer. And everyone's like, no, you're an Amway distributor. I'm like, what? And they're like, no, I'm a professional golfer. I have a handicap of, and it was a horrendous handicap if you follow golf and you know what they're talking about. So we've got yellow ochre, ultramarine blue, and grass green, and titanium white. And I'm really liking that combination. I'm going to stop at that. And he said, no, you're a professional if you get paid for doing what you love, or if you get paid for doing what you're doing. And what he meant by that, oopsie, I'm being really sloppy today. What he meant by that was, if you get money coming in while you're doing something, like for him it was playing golf, and he had money flowing in because he built this Amway business, right? Then you're a professional at whatever it is you're doing. You could be a professional sleeper, a professional artist, a professional anything if you're getting paid And so how many income streams are you missing out on by deciding that you can only get paid from your job, or only get paid from your one business? I mean, between my husband and I, we have 5 different businesses, and art is only one of them. And from within art, I have a minimum of 3 income streams. So how many income streams could you have? Anyway, that's my little rant for today. So we flipped it over, we let it drain for a little while, and let's see. Oh, yum. Look at those cells, and that green is just delicious. Why haven't I used this colour before? Now I'm just going to scrape out and get some around the edges just to assist with the spreading of the paint. Boom, boom, boom. So what I've been asking questions about lately is, when I did the 1,000 subscriber free class, which you can still sign up and receive the recordings for if you check the link in the description, is what one of the things I promised back then was that we would do another one when I hit 5,000 subscribers, and I am super duper close to that right now. So I'm asking questions about what would that class like to be, what would you guys like to have as your, that's enough, that's all I can get out of there. Although there's some paint under here too. So is there anything that you guys would you like to know about creating business with regard with your art? Would you like to yeah, how to make money, how to get over being you know, not wanting to put yourself out there and be seen as an artist. Wow, look at that green, oh my god, wowza, I'm loving this one. And those cells are gorgeous. So I'm just gonna take it so it's almost running off, and then turn it. And then as I turn it, what should occur is, because it's then going downhill, it will run off, but we won't lose a heap over the side. We'll just get just a little bit coming off the edge. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. How does it get any better? And I think I actually got the right amount of paint on for this one, which is awesome. Yum, this is great. Grass green, yellow ochre, and ultramarine blue and white. I like this colour combination. And I love what the silicon's doing with the giant cells. And we're nearly all the way around. Come on, over the edge. Just want to make sure I get all of that smeared paint off. Although some of it's okay. A little bit, it's fine. There we go. I like that a lot. Wow. It's a lot more fluorescent green looking in the camera than it is in real life. I will, when I get you down, I'll try and get a better angle that will give you a better sense of the colour. I like it! Oh! Alright. Let's see what the torch does. There's definitely some bubbles in here that need to come out. And there's definitely some cells in there that wanted to come up too. Look at those. Yum. So I'm keeping it far away, like only just warm. But it's just enough to warm the paint, make it a little bit runnier so that the silicone can come up to the top. You're not cooking the paint with this process, guys, you're just allowing it to warm so that the silicone can come up through. Alright, let's have a look. Now all of these paints, I've only just mixed them, which is why there's so many air bubbles. And that's okay too. Hello! You're super cool. Look at these. Can you see the eyes there and this long face? What else can we see? You know what? I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. And there's definitely Sorry, I've gone quiet. I'm grinning too much. I'm going to get the little torch. Where did that go? And just see if I can... There we go. Had the awareness that there was some more silicone hiding under there somewhere. That just gave it that little bit extra texture. Okay, let me get you down and show you. I like it. Okay, let's see if I can get these colours to... No, it's not gonna. It's going really fluorescent over here and it's not that fluorescent. So let's see if we drop the closer. It's got a lot more yellow in it than this is showing. Anyway, let's have a look at some of this beautiful stuff. I'm going to go through the middle first and just show you all the cool little cells. Look at those, aren't they so cute? We've got lots of little caterpillars in that green one bit over to the left. And look at the number of layers in this cell here. The big blue bean shaped one. And guys, that is not glare in that one. That tiny little one that looks like a V in it. Where are we? There. That's actually the white. Ha, cool, eh? I like it. Oh, awesome. I'm so happy. I do like pouring. It's so much fun. There's my little facey dude. He's got a few pock marks. His zits came out on his chin. How does it get any better? I really like these big cells, these big swirly cells that are in there. That's cool. So we've got a good variation of, oh, look at this one. Look at that. Pretty. So we've got a good variation of small cells and big cells and colours. And it almost looks like there's a stream running through the centre. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. So let's let this one dry and see how it comes out. I'll talk to you a couple of days my time, a few seconds yours. Bye. Alright, so here she is all dry. If you can see any wet looking patches, that's actually the silicone. There's quite a bit of silicone in this one, so those wet looking patches, that's what that is. But it's come out so pretty. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. It's so cool. Alright. Look at this band down here. Look at those tiny little cells. They're so cute. There's some really yummy cells in this one. I really like it. It was fun too. Easy, quick, fun, and yummy. So, now, I'm very excited to say we have hit our 5,000 subscribers mark, and so I am gonna be creating a free class for you guys on getting out of limitations with regards to selling your art. So haven't decided on a name for it yet, but that's the sense of it, and I will be putting a link to this, and you guys can sign up and join and come play. And those of you that have already signed up for the last one, you can, I'll send out an email to let you know about that one as well. So what magic can we create when we're willing to let the world know about how awesome our paintings are and about how amazing we ourselves be? Have fun. I adore you, and come join us on the Acrylic Pouring for Fun Facebook page, because you know that's what it's about, having fun. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.